In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect WhatsApp with WOZTELL. There are two ways to do this. You can connect WhatsApp Cloud API, or connect WhatsApp Business using the coexistence feature. Before you start, you must choose carefully which integration you want to implement. WhatsApp Business with coexistence is great if you're starting to scale your operations and wish to keep your current number without losing any information. However, it's not available in all countries. If you're interested, check if your country is included in the description below. WhatsApp Cloud API is the most powerful option and will allow you to assign a dedicated phone line with unlimited users, chatbots, and much more. Let's get started. For both processes you will need the following: a WOZTELL account, a phone number, and lastly, a Facebook Business Manager account. If you don't have a Facebook Business Manager, you can create one during the WhatsApp setup. We will walk you through the process for both integrations in the following section. First, we'll show you how to integrate WhatsApp Business with coexistence. For this specific integration you will need a WOZTELL account, an active WhatsApp Business account and the mobile phone associated with it, and a Facebook Business Manager. Log into the WOZTELL platform and navigate to Channels on the top menu. Click on New Channel on WhatsApp Cloud and then on Create Channel. Select a name and a description for internal use. Don't worry, these will not be shown publicly. Now your channel is created and ready to set up. In the new window, log into Facebook. Choose or create a Facebook business portfolio for your company. In this step, you will be asked whether you want to connect your existing WhatsApp Business account or a new number to connect WhatsApp Cloud. Select the Business account option. Add your WhatsApp Business phone number. You will receive a verification code on your WhatsApp Business app. Once you verify the account, confirm or edit it as needed. Click Continue to connect your account. Lastly, you can import contacts and chats from up to 6 months by tapping on the message received on your business account and scanning the QR code. You have now connected your WhatsApp Business account to Facebook Business Manager. The last step is to link it to WOZTELL. Select the number of the business account you just connected and choose the data that you want to sync. Complete the process by clicking on Deploy. Congrats! Your WhatsApp Business is now ready to use on WOZTELL. On this page, you can check your data, such as your number or your WABA ID, and edit your WhatsApp Business profile. From the Message Templates tab, you can create and edit your WhatsApp templates. Remember that with this integration, you can still send and receive messages from the WhatsApp Business app and simultaneously use WOZTELL to scale your operations using exclusive features. To test that your channel works correctly, send a message to yourself from your WhatsApp Business application and view it on the WOZTELL inbox. Now, we will show the process to connect WhatsApp Cloud API. For this specific integration you will need a WOZTELL account, a phone number. This number must not be associated with any personal WhatsApp account. Landlines are also acceptable. It is important that you are able to receive either an SMS or a phone call with this number for verification. And a Facebook Business Manager. Log into the WOZTELL platform and navigate to Channels on the top menu. Click on New Channel on WhatsApp Cloud and then on Create Channel. Select a name and a description for internal use. Don't worry, these will not be shown publicly. Now your channel is created and ready to set up. Click on Start Setup and, in the new window, log into Facebook. Choose or create a business portfolio for your company. Here, select the option to integrate using a phone number. Now, create a WhatsApp business account to associate with your phone number. You can also choose one within your Facebook business portfolio. Complete your business profile with relevant information about your company. Here, add your phone number. You can choose to receive either a phone call or an SMS to verify it. You have connected your new WhatsApp Cloud API channel to Facebook Business Manager. Now, the last step is to link it to WOZTELL. Go back to WOZTELL and select the WhatsApp account and number you registered. Choose a server and a security PIN. Complete the process by clicking Deploy. Congrats! Your WhatsApp Cloud API channel is now ready to use. On this page, you can check your data, such as your number, or your WABA ID, and edit your WhatsApp business profile. From the Message Templates tab, you can create and edit your WhatsApp templates. Finally, to verify that everything works, we recommend sending a message from your personal WhatsApp to your new WhatsApp Cloud API in WOZTELL. That's it. You can find more information in our knowledge base. See you next time.